let's jump quickly on this pair and show you what I'm expecting, because they do correlate, and I want you to see why I'm expecting what I'm expecting. So this has made an impulse leg. Usually, as usual, people are going to chase this right now. They're going to start buying it, and that's when they pull it back down. So right, we'll be expecting this to drop back down to 618, right? Because this is an impulse leg. This is like a change in price direction. Anytime that happens, they always pull back, and we've already seen signs of it. The H4 did show me a big drop in here, so in my opinion they will be coming back down for a pullback, and that will send the British pound higher. So British pound will be looking for it to go up, but I'm looking at this gap here as the ultimate where price is going to go. Right, that's why I'm expecting price to go. However, right, so that's why I'm expecting price to go, right? However, there will be lower time frame imbalances that price will be pulling back into. So there's one there, there's one in there. So for now, I've given the target up to there, but you can hold on to some of it for a more move to the upside. Okay, so if you get an entry, you can hold on to some of it for more move to the upside. But this is where I will expect you to close at least 80 to 90% of the trade, and then you expect price to continue going up, right?